Wow. I just got out of the laughter gym. It was our 300th session. Yeah, we've been doing this twice a day for the last 150 days since March 28th. Yeah, I'm Dave Berman. I like to laugh. I teach laughter and laughter teaches me, and so we create this space that we call Laughter Gym on Zoom, where we gather and we laugh on purpose. We laugh from the inside out. We laugh as the sound of joyful breathing. We do it for 15 minutes and then we talk about the experience. And part of the experience that we had today, both sessions today and the one that was last night, hi Mariana, we explored a little bit of breathing through yawning, intentional yawning. Give it a try. Not that it needs to make you laugh, but when we all did this as a group and we did 3 yawns, almost everybody found that by the second or third one, their body did a real yawn instead of an intentional yawn. And that was really interesting to explore. And we found that, of course, it's a great way of doing a deep breath, taking a deep breath, which we want to punctuate our laughter sessions with some deep breathing to get the maximum benefits of laughing. Of course, there are many of those. So if you are a laughter facilitator, you might want to introduce this as a breathing exercise, a way to have more variety, something you can be curious about, see what happens in your experience and in the experience of the people you're laughing with, or just come to the laughter gym. I think it will be part of our repertoire going forward. It's different every time. The laughter session and then the conversation's different every time. So 300 sessions. I missed one out of 300. Bashan had to be the facilitator for that session. That was cool. But yeah, one time out of 300. So if you feel like one of the ways your life could be better maybe is more commitment or discipline to something, you want to be more consistent about something, I think I got a good track record with that. I could coach you. Of course, I offer coaching through laughter for all sorts of things, like discovering your innate mental well-being, less stress, and creating the life that you want to have. Yeah. I don't really want to talk too much about coaching right now. I just want to mention that we're going to have the first Laughter Gym Super Session coming up on Saturday. So it's going to be a whole hour. We'll start with laughing. I'm going to facilitate a laughnosis meditation. And we're going to look at the question, what are the principles of laughter? This is the name of my new group program, the Principles of Laughter. So what are the principles of laughter, this inside-out understanding, subtractive psychology? So our first monthly Laughter Gym Super Session is going to be this Saturday, and it's only for people who enroll in the Principles of Laughter membership program, where you also get access to, right now, about 50 hours of curated content, videos out of the thousands and thousands of hours of videos that I've made about laughter in the past several years. So like the 40 most essential laugh of the day videos, the 50 mini classes that I taught for the Think Less, Laugh More program. There's some Playful Path introduction classes. There's videos for beginners. There's all sorts of categories. So check out the Principles of Laughter program. The link will be in the comments below as soon as I finish making this video. And that's the only way that you can get access to the Laughter Gym Super Session that's coming up on Saturday. We'll do those once a month. So thank you. I look forward to laughing with you soon.